Well, I finally got a low blood sugar reading, so I think I will finally try these Kit Kat Miniatures Lemon Crisp. And I thought these were an Easter thing, but it's not really. I mean, the colors are kind of springish, but not really. There's no eggs or bunnies or anything on here, so. Whoa! It smells like lemon meringue. Wow. Yeah, that's So, oh good, this might be small enough that I can just swallow it instead of spitting it out. But there they are, there. Yep, lemon crisp, that's a limited edition for some reason. It's really good enough lighting, I don't know. Just kind of put my head here, right? So, unwrapping here. Nice thing is they're individually wrapped, so I can save these for hopefully next time I'm doing theater or meeting with some people. I can give these to them and they'll still be okay. American Kit Kats, so although these are smaller even the standard American Kit Kat, so here it is. Actually got it so it's right side up. You can see it, Kit Kat. So, there we go. Cross section here. So I guess I'll. Don't taste quite as strong as they smell, although I got a bit now. Yeah. Yeah, swallow that a little bit. The camera's falling. Well, let's see if we can get a cross section. Is that chocolate? Hard to tell. I think it is chocolate, but it's so thin, and the lemon is so overpowering that you hardly taste it. It's more of a hint. It's actually good, though. And normally if something was overpowering something else, but this only mostly overpowers. The lemon only mostly overpowers the chocolate, so there's still a hint of it. And even if you don't really think about noticing it, you do notice it. Oh, there's a texture, I guess. Yeah. Chocolate is, well, enlarged to show texture. Yeah, so I would recommend these if you can find them. I got them at Ollie's. They were $2.40. Normally, what is it? $3.79. Can you see that? Hard to tell if you can or not. So I'm going to go out to mow the lawn now, so that should give me enough exercise to burn off the sugar. And this counter is greasy. My deep fryer is back in working order. It's, well, wasn't broken, but you know, I periodically have to change the oil, and then I have to clean it, and then I use a lot of fume-free oven cleaner, and that takes a while. So now, hope that was in frame.
Look!